Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a product review on the CarPro Inside and the P&S Leather Treatment. Now these two products are dedicated for your leather interior. Many people tend to neglect this step. People tend to just wipe it down and call it a day. Once in a while, I suggest using a dedicated leather cleaner and especially conditioning your leather seats. There are many interior cleaners out there, but for the CarPro Inside, this is a dedicated leather cleaner, so it's safe and it's designed to use on your leather seats or anything like that. The leather treatment is a dedicated conditioner that after you clean it, make sure your seats are clean. You're going to hit it with the leather treatment and make sure the seats are moist and wrinkle free. Both of these bottles are 16 ounces. However, the leather treatment does come in a 1-liter jug. Both of these products you can find it on our website. The CarPro Inside is retail for $23.99 Canadian and the leather treatment is retail for $13.50 Canadian. So we're gonna jump into the car and actually do an in-car review and show you guys how it works. Alright guys, so we're inside of this Lincoln. We're gonna showcase the product. So one of them is the CarPro Inside and one of them is the leather conditioner from P&S. So the seats are a little bit dirty, so before we actually hit it with the leather treatment, we're actually gonna do a clean first. Now the CarPro Inside is very good because it is a dedicated leather cleaner. So personally, I like to use it on all my cars, any seats that are leather. So the best is we're gonna use it with a microfiber towel. If you have heavier stains or anything like that in between the stitches, we recommend using a little small brushes to brush those out first before you hit it with this. The microfiber applicator pad we're gonna use for the leather treatment, so we're gonna set this aside for now. But let me hop out of here and start cleaning. So one microfiber it's enough, but if you have two, then the better. Okay, so we're going to just spray it a generous amount on the seat. Okay, and we're gonna use one side of the microfiber towel, just gently rub it in, massage it a little bit, get into all that cracks and stuff. All right, and instantly you have that citrusy smell, which it smells really, really good, and it already looks a lot better. And we're gonna do the same thing for the seats. Now I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more product. And the good thing about this is after you clean it, it's not very slippery. I know a lot of the cleaners or conditioners on the market, they're very, very slippery and have that oily feeling, which I personally don't like, but this, you don't have any of that, which is really, really good. So after you rub it in, you just wanna flip it over to a dry side and kind of just give it a wipe down. This will take off any sort of excess residue on the seat. Okay, so just gonna buff everything off on the chair, and as you guys can see, it already looks way better than before. This obviously is a video showcase. We're not gonna go into all that detail in terms of vacuuming and everything, but yeah, I mean, it already looks a lot better. So after this, you can let it sit for a little bit, or you can just go ahead with the leather conditioner. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna step in again. I'm gonna set this aside, and the P&S Leather Treatment is very, very good because also from the name, obviously it's meant for leather, and also doesn't give that oily, slippery feeling, which is very, very good. So you can take a applicator pad and you're just gonna squeeze on here, okay? And then you just wanna kind of massage it in, rub it in a little bit. Obviously, if your seats are old and you have lots of cracks and stuff, you might want to use a little bit more, but just start with a generous amount. You know, you can rub it in. You guys can see it instantly gives that shine and that kind of rejuvenate the leather, which is what we want. Just use a generous amount. Make sure you cover and massage all the product into the leather. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this side as well. So something like that is probably good for half of the seats. If you don't want to use too much, because otherwise at first the area hit, you're just gonna drown it with product. So take it section by section and kind of just massage it in. And we're just gonna let it dry. As you guys can see from here, this side we literally just did did it about a minute ago and it's already drying. So this is a fast drying product. It's not gonna leave that sticky and oily feeling forever. It really dries really quickly. I'm just gonna repeat the same for the bottom here as well. So it smells really good. It's not that fragrant compared to other P&S product. I know the Beat Maker smells like mango and all that, but this just gives that kind of a tumble leather smell. It doesn't really have that scent, but you know, for those of you that don't like a strong scent, then this is the product for you. So I'm just gonna do all around the edges. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. Very easy to use, a fantastic product. As you guys can see here, it's already drying. Let me just pass me the camera. I'm just gonna show you guys here. See here the difference between the shine. So this is obviously more slick and this has already been dried, and it feels very good already. The bottom I just did, and it's a little bit has that wet look, but other than that, microfiber pad and the leather treatment is all you need. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check these products on our store at onlinedetailingstore.com. Of course, I'll leave both of the links for these two products in the description box below. So if you're interested, go check it out, read more about it, and maybe try it out for yourself. So until next time, I'll see you guys.